What up? Making this video after Christmas and just installing my friend's pain in the ass head unit on his Infinity that has a stock system, and I didn't know that the speakers from there have their own individual installed amps. It's kind of funky. This is what I got. Small ass amp. Rockford P400-1. It's rated at 400, and thought it was a joke when I opened the box. This is a small ass thing. You see that? Oh no, fuck. Whatever. But the small ass amp. See if I can move it over for you, get some better light or some shit. It's pretty small in comparison to my 15. But I pulled out this ain't the burst sheet. Pulled out the burst sheet, and Sonic Electronics, where I go, said they're usually rated within 10% plus or minus of their rating. I don't know what percentage it is, but my RMS is 143 over the amps rating. Pretty ridiculous. Probably be doing some tests in the next couple of months once I get it installed and my vehicle paint's repaired. So yeah, look forward to that. Let's see if I can get a better shot. There you go. And that's it.